Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. This is it. The proposed rule from the EPA, reconsideration of the 2009 endangerment findings and greenhouse gas vehicle standards comment period is over. The 40 days that we had to wait for smog to end is here. Finally. Look at this guy. He's cutting his catalytic converter off already. He's going to have the time of his life. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over everything that's really happening in California as it is right now, today, and what you should expect to happen in the near future when it comes to California smog laws. Before we get going too far into this video, please hit that like button, check out the video library when you're done with this video, subscribe, and tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies. Also, the Blue Driver OBD2 scan tool that hooks up to your phone. I'm going to be giving one of these away. You have one more week to enter to win this. No purchase necessary. Look for a link in the first comment to get to the video. All you got to do is comment on that video and that gets you entered to win this. I'll be choosing a winner on October 1st for a Blue Driver OBD2 scan tool. Also, Gulu. I've been raving about Gulu jump boxes for years now. The GP4000 was my favorite jump box up until this one. This is, a jump box and compressor combo all-in-one. Also doubles as a battery bank for a phone charger or a camera charger, and it has a flashlight. If you look for a link in the description for one of these, if you need a jump box compressor combo, $55.99 using my coupon code. Go get it right now, $55.99. Use my coupon code, link in the description as well. All right, to the important stuff. Well, actually, this is important because you're helping a brother out if you go buy it. So buy that stuff. Important stuff. The reconsideration of the greenhouse gas findings. So again, remember August 1st, I posted the video letting you know what was going to happen or my thoughts on everything. And I proposed a 1,000 rows, bet to somebody that I don't want to be right, but I just like being right. I don't like rumors being spread, just a bunch of BS fake stuff that gets people hyped up. I don't like that. That's why I proposed a bet of 1,000 roses that my prediction was going to be right. And as it is right now, the comment period is over for the 2009 endangerment finding and greenhouse gas vehicle standards. The comment period is over. And what has happened? Today is the first day of that. Everybody's cutting their catalytic converters off like that guy, right? If you got a DPF, if you got EGR, scrubber, go cut that off now. This is the emissions freedom that we want. We can do whatever we want. We don't have to worry about smog laws, California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico. But wait, it's a lie. You really do still have to do all that stuff. And really, what is really going on in California? Smogs are getting harder to pass on October 1st for the OBD2 vehicles. You're not going to be allowed to have any monitors incomplete to be able to pass smog, except for the vehicles that have the known problems when it comes to OBD2 monitors. And I will be posting a video in the next couple of days going over that case. If you have a very problematic vehicle, the state does know about it, and you will be exempt from that monitor being set. But I'll go over that in a future video coming out in the next couple of days. And that's also another reason why I'm giving away a Blue Driver OBD2 scan tool. This scan tool, you could check and make sure your monitors are set, the live data, all that good stuff you could do with this scan tool. I really, really like it. It's my favorite on the go. Get entered to win that, okay? So when it comes to this proposal with the EPA, if you go to the Federal Register, which the EPA has to register the proposals and get it passed, yada, 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 you will see, there's a link in the description. Here it is right here. At the upper right-hand side, this is a proposed rule still. Even though the comment period ended yesterday, like I said in the previous video about this proposed rule doesn't become a rule as soon as the comment period ends. It's going to take months, if not a year, for them to go through all of the comments that people have submitted. It's thousands of comments on this proposal. They got to go through all those comments and then come up with, is this rule going to pass or is it not going to pass? If they have to make adjustments to it, then this rule, proposed rule, has to be opened up again to public comment one more time. They can't just, well, maybe they can, but usually what happens is they'll open it up to public comment again, do another 30 days of public comment, and then go back to the drawing board and see if that's a rule that they could pass or not. So what you're looking at, if you save this link in the description, you'll notice one thing, proposed rule, upper right-hand corner. If you scroll down just a little bit in that blue bar, it says you may be interested in this newer document that published on 8/15/2025 with action. notification extension of public comment period. So the comment period on this got extended. Everyone said, wait 40 days, wait 40 days. Well, it got extended to the, September 22nd from September 15th, the comment period did. But still, nothing has changed. When this becomes a final rule, this link will still be valid, but it'll say on the upper right-hand corner, it'll say rule. Let me show you one of these proposed rules that has actually become a rule so you know what to actually look for. Now, this is the Federal Register, was once upon a time a proposed rule. It says, interim final determination to stay or defer sanctions California Antelope Valley Air Quality Management District. So this is another CARB rule that became an actual rule because the federal EPA allowed them to do so. But you'll notice this is the important part. I'm not really worried about this rule that is here. I just want to point out to you guys that this actually has become a rule. So you'll see upper right hand corner, it says rule. That's what we're looking for on the endangerment finding proposal as well, for it to become a rule. But if you guys have been paying attention for a while, I've pointed out to you guys that greenhouse gas emissions or gases are not the same as smog emissions. If you go look at this video, I tried to explain to you guys the difference from the EPA, what they look at when they consider greenhouse gases or what they consider greenhouse gases compared to smog. Now, catalytic converters, DPF, scrubbers, PCV systems, that emissions equipment reduces smog. Those products or whatever the components are not on vehicles to reduce CO2. Yes, they could reduce CO2, but the intent of those components are not to reduce CO2. Those components are meant to reduce HC, CO, and NOx. Those are the harmful gases that are not in greenhouse gases, or what the EPA doesn't consider greenhouse gases. They consider HC, CO, and NOx smog. So what is really going to change? Now, recap. As it is today, the proposal, the comment period is over with. Smog rules, still the same everywhere. October 1st, smogs do get harder to pass for OBD2 vehicles in California. And yes, HR 4117 is still out there. I hear that somebody who says HR 4117 is going to be included in some bills or it was guaranteed to pass is already trying to backpedal and just admit that it's not going to go through. You still have the Stop CARB Act, been introduced, nothing has changed. The, what was it? Transportation Freedom Act, still introduced, nothing has changed. There's plenty of bills that are there for Congress to be able to stop California CARB or Section 209 of the Clean Air Act and Section 177 of the Clean Air Act, but Congress has to do that. EPA cannot change a federal law. Congress has to act to change an act of Congress. Good old saying right there. Now, if I'm missing something, comment below. Make sure you look for links in the description for everything I talk about and for the Gulu products and for the giveaway for the Blue Driver, everything in the description below. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Like, subscribe, share, tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.